Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting tutorial of Canva. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to use hand-drawn Canva elements. Use it for your projects, design, templates. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing Instagram post just to show the designs, as I will be requiring only the elements part and nothing else. So let's start with it. So we will go to elements part. Okay, so the first element or the element keyword is hand drawn line. Okay, so as you can see, there are many hand drawn lines with also the illustration shape of a face. As you can see, the leaves all are in hand drawn shapes, and also some abstract lines are also present here, so you can use them. Okay, so the next keyword is hand drawn animals. So as you can see, you can use all of them, and as you can see, all of them are in free section. As you can see, it's written here. So there are many hand drawn animals, as you can see, as well as the fish and the birds are present here, so you can use any of them directly from here. Okay, so this is the second keyword, and as we scroll down we find this huge collection of hand drawn elements present here. As you can see, I am scrolling down and there is no end of it. So I will now scroll down further and move to the third keyword, which is write simple drawn objects. Okay, so as you can see, these are the simple drawn objects, and if you want you can use the animated parts also. As you can see, this lightning stars, shooting star, also the 3 stars colored. You can use the animated parts and also the static parts. As you can see here, you can use them. So this is the third keyword for elements. Let's move to the fourth one. So this is the fourth one, which is simple drawn flowers. As you can see, there are numerous of them. Many are in animated part and many are in static part, as you can see. So this is the fourth keyword, and let's move on to the fifth one, which is simple drawn leaves. As you can see, there are many images of leaves also, so you can directly use them. Okay, so let's move to the last one, which is hand painted. So as you can see, I made a spelling mistake, which will be hand painted. I did a small typing error, so it will be hand painted, which is the last keyword, as you can see. And all these hand painted elements, you can find it. Many are present in free section and some are present in pro section. So as you can see, you can use all these elements for free and in pro section, and you can use them for your own designs, for your templates. And if you like the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to the channel.